Is your 2013 Ford Edge key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a lost connection to the car. First, replace the CR2032 battery. Pry open the fob with a small screwdriver, replace the battery with the positive side up, and snap it back together. Then, try reprogramming the fob. Enter the vehicle with a working key, cycle the ignition off, on while pressing the brake pedal. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button on the fob. Repeat for any additional fobs. This simple process often resolves the issue. If battery replacement and reprogramming don't resolve the key fob issue, check the vehicle's antenna for corrosion or damage. Focus on areas prone to weather exposure, like the roof or rear window. First, inspect the antenna base for corrosion or residue. Shine a flashlight to spot any buildup that could interfere with signals. If corrosion is found, use electrical contact cleaner. Spray it on the affected areas and wipe gently to remove residue and restore connections. Next, check for physical damage like cracks or breaks in the antenna or connections. After cleaning, test the key fob to see if the issue is resolved. If antenna cleaning doesn't fix the issue, the keyless entry module could be failing. Consult a professional for diagnostics to prevent further problems. Dealership services may include reprogramming or module replacement.